First, plot your DR position. Lat 44 degree 10 minutes north, long 169 degree 30 minutes east. INT 5.2 away, markup 85.2. Drag your markup 85.2 to away and add minus the markup. That's why your PL is 335.2 and 175.2, and your first ITP is 44 degrees 10 minutes north and long 169 degree 15 minutes east. That's your first ITP. So next, same procedure to get second ITP. Your INT 6.4 towards and your ZN 183.5. Drag your ZN to INT and add minus. That's why your PL 293.5 to 73.5. And your second ITP, lat 44 degree 02 minutes north, long 169 degree 30 minutes east. And your fixed position, lat 44 degrees 04 minutes north, long 169 degrees 11 minutes east. That's your fixed position, and that's all. Thank you.